our first aid medical kit, just in case.
Salam everyone. I'm here at Karura with R12 Adventures, Nairobi, Kenya. I'm all geared up and ready for an awesome ride.
Thanks. Assalamualaikum. Vipi, petroli imeisha?
Tumechoka.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we're here at Karura Forest and we enjoyed a beautiful ride through the forest in the nature, appreciating the beauty of Allah through the nature. We also saw a deer on the way and we stopped at the waterfalls, listening to the beautiful sound of nature, and it was amazing, a beautiful ride, alhamdulillah. Thank you to Rizwan for organizing the trip, and we hope everyone here enjoyed, alhamdulillah.
What's happening, man? Are you recuperating?
Very good. You have to know, he has to give us the ages of the ID card. Birth certificate. Oh, birth certificate. Birth certificate. I was born yesterday. I was born yesterday. Birth certificate, no. ID card. Okay. Hi, but Muhammad and Muhammad Salman. Are we good? Okay, first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who came, and I hope you enjoyed. And on behalf of the Jamaat as well, a big thank you for participating. So we've got 2 prizes. Muslim Uncle will, I would like to call Muslim Uncle to announce that, please.
He can't announce himself, eh?
No, that's not allowed.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. Now we've got another 3 donors.
Oh.
Yeah. Rasco, Zain Auto, Impala Auto.
Crown.
Auto Arena. Yes, well done. And then consultation, doctor has said from 1 hour he's giving 5 hours. So you know what, you can split it up, you know, you can go 2 hours and 1 hour, like Ludo, you know. So you get chai, biscuits and bhajias. See what doctor said? Barabar. Thank you.
What's the topic of the consultation? What's the consultation about?
Medical consultation.
COVID.
I don't give medical consultation.
We don't know, you just donate it, you know. Thank you very much for allowing us to donate. You will give us the name of the youngest participant, and Muzammil will arrange for the voucher and delivered or given to the parent. And you can buy space from Pickup Auto Parts. Thank you.
Asante. So what I've done is the meal packs are in the bus. As we exit, I'll give the meal packs and we can call it a day. And I think that's about it.
Meal pack ni pila?
I don't know. So it's a surprise. Ji?
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. What of thanks.
So I would like to do a bigger
Salawat.
Inshallah, next time I'd like to do a bigger event where we can accommodate the seniors, the juniors and everyone. And the vicinity should be somewhere like probably Paradise Lost, where there you can do zip lining. You can do a Karoga there as well. So maybe after Muharram Safar, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah? Any inputs? No. Any suggestions?
Me, IRFAN.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Are you having a meal?
Yes. Yeah, in first class.
Oh, shabash. Hey, thank you for watching my video. and please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. So this was a wonderful trip at Karura Forest for the bike ride, and if you need any events to be done by yourselves, or you will need to organize any events, please do not hesitate to contact me. My links are below, my address, my contacts, everything is listed below. Thank you.